Well, the challenges associated with caring for an aging loved one or a person with special needs can become overwhelming for their caregiver. So we're joined today by attorney Carol Thomas to discuss the importance of being educated and proactive in preparing for a medical crisis. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you. It's great to be back, Jamie.
Yes. Now tell us, what are the differences between conservatorship, guardianship, and powers of attorney?
Okay, excellent. A power of attorney is a document that someone should sign while he or she is competent, naming someone else to make financial decisions for them.
Okay.
If someone doesn't do this, then it's awful, because then we have to actually go to the local probate court. And I'm not saying they're awful, but it's much more involved and much more expensive, much more cumbersome for the family. So if someone, while their mental status is good, signs a power of attorney, they never have to go to court and set up a conservatorship to handle the finances.
Okay, and it sounds like avoiding a lot of complications too,
much easier. Yes.
Now, what assets can be protected for a married couple if one needs to go to a nursing home?
People are always surprised. For a married couple, if one spouse goes into a nursing home, we are able to protect all of their assets.
Wow.
Everything they have, whether it's 401s, IRAs, home, cottage, we save everything.
That's amazing.
It's wonderful. We also can actually save most of the income of the spouse in the nursing home, and that really surprises a lot of people. But it's all about pre-planning and getting things set up, again, while you're mentally competent, saying, this is what I want done if I ever need long-term care.
Now, what about the same situation except for a single person?
Single isn't quite as good.
Oh, man.
For a single person, actually, the state of Michigan allows a single person in a nursing home to only have $2,000 to their name.
Wow.
But if you work with an elder law attorney that does the nursing home protection, we're able to save, on the average, about 60% of the assets.
Okay.
So that makes a lot of people very happy.
That does sound like a good thing. Now, is it true that Michigan can put a lien on your home if you have gone to a nursing home?
Yes, actually, Michigan, starting in 2011, enacted an estate recovery law, and that is, and a lot of people are surprised because they always say, oh, I know I can keep my home, and you can keep it while you're living if you're in the nursing home, but after you die, if your home goes through the probate process and the state has paid for your care, meaning Medicaid, then the state can, and they do, put a lien on your home.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it shocks a lot of people.
Yeah, it is very shocking.
Again, it can be totally prevented, again, with just good pre-planning.
All righty, great tips. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
If you would like any additional information on today's topic, just head on over to the TV5 Facebook page right after the news at 9 is over. We'll be there live answering your questions.